Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of update on the application of Instagram. You will go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will scroll down until you find this application of Instagram and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to the window of storage. You will find this sign of clear cache. You will click on clear cache. Then you will return. You will go to this window of permissions. You will check if all these permissions are allowed, and then here in this page you will allow these permissions. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Instagram and you will click here. Then you will go to app Instagram here, and if you find update in this blue sign, then you should update your app to fix that problem of the application of Instagram as you see here. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.